Hello, RealPars, and thank you for allowing me to share my testimony with you and the rest of the automation seekers out there. First, I have to start by saying RealPars is the fastest and smartest way to gain knowledge that would have taken me more time to gain specific knowledge on topics like learning Siemens TIA 1200 and 1500 PLCs. I recommended RealPars to my colleagues as one of the best learning websites in the market. Why? For its simplicity and knowledge-based videos. I believe every automation professional should explore this website. Myself as an automation professional, I have extensive experience with Siemens Simatic S5, S7 and 400 PLCs. I have found RealPars to be the fastest and easiest way to learn about automation, systems, and controls. Believe me, RealPars is a great reference tool to have at your fingertips. Not only has RealPars helped me and several of my colleagues that I believe in the RealPars learning method, that I joined the RealPars instructors team, and now I too am sharing my practical maintenance automation experience with other students around the world. I am wishing you happy learning from RealPars.